Hello students, welcome to Jenny's tutoring. This is chapter 11, rounding and estimation, calculations with decimals. Let's learn exercise 11.3, it's part 2. Fifth question, find the value of the following. A question is what? 46 in 10 power cube. So what we have to do? 46 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 cube means what? 10 is multiplying by 3 times. Okay. So 10 into 10 into 10. Now just write the number 46. How many zeros we have here? 1, 2, 3. So just add the 3 zeros to the end of the number. Okay. So the final answer is 46,000. B question is 6.4 divided by 10 square. Okay, so 6.4 divided by 10 square means 10 into 10 or 100 you can write. So 6.4 divided by 100. That means what? We have to move the decimal point to the left side but after the two places. Okay, so 0.064. See some 6.8 into 10 cube. Okay. 6.8 into 10 cube is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10. Now just write the number 6.8. We have to add the zeros to the end of the number. Okay. So 0, 0, 0. We have 3 zeros. So we added here. But after the decimal point, we have only one number, right? So we have to move the decimal point. So from the last, leave one number and we keep the decimal point. So the answer is 6,800. D sum 46 divided by 10 cube. So 46 by 10 into 10 into 10. Now we have 3 zeros, right? So 0.046 is the answer. Is sum 3.8 into 10 power 4. Okay, 3.8 into 10 power 4 we can write as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so in 10 how many zeros we have? 4 zeros we have here. So what we have to do is add the zeros to the end of the number. Okay, so 3.80000. But after the decimal point, we have only one place, right? So what we have to do, we should move the decimal point. From the last, leave one place and keep the decimal point. So the answer is 38,000.0. F sum is 0.0084 into 10 power 5. 0.0084 into 10 power 5 we can write as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, so what we have to do? We should add the zeros to the end of the number. So how many zeros we have? 5 zeros we have. Just add the zeros to the end of this number. Okay, but after the decimal point we have only 4 places. So what we have to do now? We have to move the decimal point. From the last, leave 4 places and keep the decimal point. So the answer is 840.0000. G sum 0.7 into 10 power 6. So 0.7 into 10 power 6, right? So we can write that as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, how many zeros are there? We have 6 zeros are there. So just add the zeros to the end of the number. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to move the decimal point. Here, check the question, that is after the decimal point, we have only one number. Only one place is there. So we have to move the decimal point. From the last, leave one number and keep the decimal point. So the answer is 7,0,0,0,0. Which is 950 divided by 10 power 5. Okay, so 950 by 10 power 5 we can write as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, So 1 zeros we get cancelled. Now what we have? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 tens are there. Okay, how many zeros we have? There is a 4 zeros. So what we have to do? After the decimal point, we are supposed to have 4 places. So here we have just 95. So we added the 2 places. Okay, so 0.0095. I sum is 0.0845. We have to divide by 10 power 4. So 0.0845 by 10 power 4 we can write as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So we have to move this decimal point to our left side, but we have to add 4 places along with this numbers. So 0.00000845. So after the decimal point, we have 8 places now. We sum 4 divided by 1000. So how can we write as a fraction? 4 by 1000. Okay, how many zeros we have? 3 zeros. That means what? After the decimal point, we are supposed to have 3 places. So 0.004 is the answer. Each stage of this calculation chain involves a multiplication or division by a power. Write down the missing powers of 10. The first has been done for you. So 5 into 10 squared, which gives 500. Now 500 into 100, which gives 50,000. Into 100, how can we write that? Into 10 power square. Okay, we have to write the powers of 10. Okay, now 50,000 divided by 1000, which gives 50. Now 1000, how can we write as the powers of 10? That is 10 power cube. Okay, now 50 into 10,000, which gives 500,000. Okay, so 10,000, how can we write? That is 10 power 4. What operation is here? It's a multiplication. Okay, now 500,000, and we have to find D. That answer should be 5. Now 500,000 we have to divide by 100,000, which gives 5. Now 100,000, how can we write? That was 10 power 5. So what operation is here? It's a division. So divided by 10 power 5. Now from 5 we have to do something, then but answer should be 0.005. So 5 divided by 1000, which gives 0.005. So 1000 is nothing but 10 power 3. Now 0.005, if we multiply by 0.001, which gives 5000. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.